Hello everyone and welcome back to Conspiracy Theory 101, the place where I show just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to controversial issues of our times. Now, of course, my name is Jason and you can find me at Conspiro101 on YouTube, Rumble, IAG, TikTok, and of course YouTube and Rumble you can find the full-length videos. Now, today what we're going to get into is the moon landing. Yes, the conspiracy theory goes that we never even went to the moon. Everything that you've seen on video is just fake, created in a studio, possibly in Hollywood, possibly by Stanley Kubrick himself. Why? Why do conspiracy theorists believe that the moon landing was fake? Well, a number of reasons. One of the most prominent ideas is that the pictures that we see from that moon landing, where we saw that American flag flying on the moon. Well, the American flag, any flag can't fly on the moon because there is no atmosphere. If there's no atmosphere, there's no wind. That's what the proponents of this theory believe, that there's no way for this flag to be flapping in the wind when there is no wind. Another idea is the Van Allen belt. What the heck is a Van Allen belt? A Van Allen belt is, imagine like a force field around the Earth. The Earth has a field around it that has lots of radiation, and they believe that if a rocket goes through this Van Allen belt, that the astronauts would not survive, or maybe the instrument panel, some instruments on the rocket won't be able to withstand the radiation, and ultimately we just wouldn't be able to go past this force field of radiation. Another idea is that in the videos and the pictures that we have from the moon landing of 1969 is there's no stars in the pictures, no stars in the video. So one thing that gets me is if you have a look at the lunar module that we sent up there to the moon, I mean, it looks like it was made by a 7th grade science student, you know? It looks like it was put together with tape and gold foil wrap. It looks primitive. It looks like something that comes out of North Korea. Sorry, North Korea. It looks pretty flimsy, you know? And for this thing to have survived a rocket launch and a rocket landing on the moon, I don't know. You be the judge. But those are just a few different things why conspiracy theorists point to the idea that we never even went to the moon. It was all fake. Now, why? Why would we even fake? Why would the United States even fake something like this? Well, a number of reasons. We had the Vietnam War going on at that time, and it was a very, very controversial war. So possibly the United States wanted to shift everyone's attention from this war to something positive, something good, something good for humanity. So that could be one reason why. Also, so the space race was going on. The space race between USSR at that time and the United States. The Soviet Union, they were the first to orbit a man around the Earth, you know? They one-upped the United States. We couldn't have that, so what better way to show space dominance than to land on the friggin' moon, you know? So there's a number of reasons why this whole moon landing could have been faked. My personal belief, I believe that we actually went to the moon. I believe that. I believe we landed on the moon. But I believe, personally, that what we saw on television, what we saw in pictures, isn't the full story. Now, you have to remember that there were some 530 million people watching this on their television. It had to be successful, okay? If it wasn't successful, if the rocket blew up or something, that's 530 million people that would have been let down, you know? That would have been a catastrophe to the human psyche, I guess you could say. I believe that we actually went to the moon, but I think what we saw was not real. I think what we saw was like a production, you know? And I think other things could have happened when we landed on the moon. So I guess I'm half and half, whether I believe it's real or not. What do you think? Moon landing, is it fact or smoke and crack like Hunter Biden? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.